Hey guys, and welcome to Webentor. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create a QR code generator WordPress website. So, okay, let's get to know. This is my website called as Online Tool Lab, and I have also created a QR code generator. So, let us see how we can generate with just two simple steps. So, first, let's go to ChatGPT and to generate the code. So, I have tried and tested this method. So, I have got a prompt here. So I have written like I want to create a QR code generator tool for my WordPress website using WP Coder plugin. So this is a plugin where you can add all the codes like HTML, CSS, Java, and PHP code. You can add it in the one platform. I'll show it to you. Next I've written that which must have a very good interface. So please give me HTML code for the same and please use QR server API. So I have tried it many APIs for doing this, but I found that QR server API was really good for that. So after that, it has given me this code. So I already tested this code, but I thought that the interface was not so good. So after that, I gave it the next prompt saying the interface is not that good. Plus, I want a download button for the QR code. So after that, it has given me this code. So let's just copy this code and let's go to our WordPress website. So you can download a plugin called as WP Coder. So just download the plugins from here and go to add new plugin and install a plugin called as WP Coder. WP Coder. So this is the plugin. I have already installed it. So just install it and you can see the plugin here. So just click on this and then just go to add new. And here just give a name like QR code, something like that. I will just give QR because already I have that, so I don't want to create confusion for that. So the code which we had copied from here, so just paste it here, that's it, and just give save changes. So it will generate a short code. Just copy the short code by clicking on this and just go to all pages and just click on add new page, then just paste that code here and give publish. So just view the page. So see, you can also create. So this is how it has generated. So let's just try test it. So I'll just copy a link and I will just paste and see if it generates the QR code. So you can see it has generated the QR code. So no need to worry, I will give this code in the description. So I will just paste it in the description, so you can just copy this code and just create a website for yourself also. So you don't need to do all these steps. And also thank you for watching this video guys. Meet you in the next video. Then bye bye.